All right, this is for my people who can do pistol squats. If you can do a pistol squat, let's see if you got this. Let's go. Bruh. Come on, lock in. Let's go. Bro, I actually don't know what's going on today. I can usually get these for at least like 3 reps. I'm struggling to even stand on it today. All right. Bro, I'm about to crash out. Take 2, we're gonna try this again. That's it, that's it, that's it. 2, 2. Which one I'm better on my left? My knee's worse on my left. See? How am I getting more on my left? Oh. All right, got it.